Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to search filters on Instagram in Android. To start, open your application store in your mobile device or app store. In here, use the search bar and then search for Instagram. Hit enter. Once you find Instagram, tap on it, and then in here, you will need to update your Instagram application. Once done updating, close your application store, then open and locate your Instagram application in your mobile device. On Instagram, create a new post by clicking on the plus sign in the middle. Now choose from your gallery or use your camera. In here, when using your camera, you can scroll to the left or to the right or swipe left and to the right. And then you will see a collection of filters available in Instagram. Just choose the one of your preference. In here, scroll to the furthest right, and then you will see a magnifying icon. Once you see that one, you can now use search for more filters over at Instagram. Just go ahead and search for the ones that you like or prefer. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.